This is why you should just sign the citation. It's really short, 7 minutes, so it won't be too bad.
Prototype Hotel Tango X-Ray Charlie 46 on a silver Chevy 1816 for Hoover. How you doing? Any reason you passed me?
What?
Any reason you passed me?
Passed you well.
About 200 feet ago. What's that?
Probably was going slow.
Nope. You got your license on you?
Yeah.
You can put the car in park. Put the car in park, please.
Dude, the immediate attitude, like having the music bumping, like you know you're gonna have to turn it down to hear him. You knew that was gonna happen, and then you act irritated that you can't hear him. You have the music loud. What are you talking? Oh, I hate when people are just rude like that, and then your reaction like upsets them. Like you're the one who's being rude.
Okay. Step out of the car.
For what?
Because you're not listening to simple directions. So step out of the car for me. Tango 16, I'll take another.
And you could, maybe wouldn't have even gotten a ticket. Like I don't know. Was it? I don't know what she's getting pulled over for, but it could have not been crazy because he's not even acting like it's like a big deal. In the beginning, he wasn't.
To the front of my car, please. Is that your driver's license?
Sir, do it look like my driver? Do what you gotta do.
Okay. Stand in the front of my truck.
I'm standing right here.
In the front of my truck.
I'm right in the front of your car, sir. Where you want me to sit on it?
I'm pointing towards the...
Bro, what is the difference with just standing 4 or 5 feet over there? Like, why does it matter to you? Just because he asked you to do that, you don't want to do it?
Front of my car. It's pretty simple
standing in the
instruction.
front of your car.
Okay. Address on your license up to date?
Yes.
Vehicle registered to you?
Yes.
Insurance up to date? Is that a yes or no?
Sir, I don't want to talk. Can you do what you need to do as an officer?
Okay.
Bro, you know he's going to take as long as humanly possible to do any of this. Is this like another guy?
Just stay over there. She's got an attitude problem.
Okay.
Yeah, he's sitting there waiting while this guy pulls up. Oh man, she's just been chilling, standing there.
Hey, I get to keep you company, I guess.
Thanks.
You okay?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
He's just being but
What do you mean?
That's how he talking. It don't take all that to talk to people. But if you want to be nasty to me, I'll be nasty to you. It's fine. You can get whatever energy you give me. You want to talk to me like a normal human being? I'll talk to you like one. You want to talk to me like an asshole?
That's what you and I are doing right now.
Yeah, but that ain't how he was talking. So he got what
Bro, he was being nice.
he got. What he gave me.
But just like I said, just don't hold him against me.
Yeah, I ain't got no problem.
I'll treat you
Like
well.
I said, my driver's license, so you can give me my ticket and send me on my way. But
Did he say what
instead, he want to turn the car off, be extra, get out, stand over here. I'm afraid. Do you have a weapon?
Did he
Sir.
say what he put you over for or no?
No, he didn't say nothing.
But,
He didn't say nothing at all.
I was just curious, because, I mean, we
Oh,
don't...
well, he said I passed him. He did say that. I'm
but we
lying.
don't,
He said I
we don't,
passed him.
we don't have to. All we have to do is tell you that if we give you a ticket, or when we release you. I mean, that is actually
He
legal.
don't got nothing else to do, apparently. But I ain't worried. Like I said, write my ticket and let me go.
What's your name?
Tiana.
Oh, Tiana, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
Last name's... First name's Nick.
Nice to meet you, Nick.
So just take a breath. I promise I won't hurt you.
I ain't worried about being hurt. I'm protected by the Most High. Y'all can't hurt me.
You and me too.
Amen. That's why I don't
You
feel
and
no
me too.
man on this earth.
There's only one. There's only
Only
one.
one person to feel. You hear me?
Dude, how does this like devolve into like chaos? I feel like he's handling this really well. Like I'm sure he's just going with the flow to keep peace, but he's doing a good job.
I only kneel to one
And I
person.
don't feel him because he don't do me no wrong.
You gotta tell him I kneel to no man. I only
You hear
kneel to
me?
one person.
She's chuckling, man. He's doing a great job.
Person, and I don't feel him because he ain't never did me wrong, even when I ain't like it. So I ain't scared by nothing.
Just remember, when you hear people say, God's just testing me, that ain't God testing you. That's the devil who's the master of
that's
disguise.
you failing. That's you ain't lying.
That's the devil who's the master of disguise.
See, he sure give you the dough.
Trying to weaken your faith.
He sure give you the dough. That be all them problems you set yourself up for. You put yourself in those situations and then blame it on God. No, he gave you the way out. All you have to do is sit still and be quiet.
If you want, you can face this way. I know the sun's in your eyes.
Yeah.
I can see you like because the sun's in your eyes. Well, I ain't here to be your enemy. I'm just here to come here and go home.
I ain't lying, me too.
Bro, where do we go from here? How does this end up being bad?
I guess he wanted me to stand in the middle of the street because I had my pajamas on. That's fine. But that was necessary.
At least you don't have a bonnet on. If you had a bonnet on,
that was necessary. I took it off. Not that he gave a fuck.
No, if you had a bonnet on, I'd have had to ask you why you had it on outside the house. I'm like, you know the rules?
Right.
Dude, he should have just brought the guy over and took it from him. Don't come back into the interaction, bro. What are you doing?
Thank you. Have a great day, Nick.
All right, so I need a signature here.
Give me whatever you need me to
Stop
do.
talking. Let me
You
explain
don't tell me to stop talking.
Bro, that was so stupid. Why would you come back into the situation? You brought him in because of what you did. Like, well, not what you did, but her reaction to you. Sometimes it just doesn't go well. And you got Guy B in there, great rapport, and then you're going to throw it all away by showing back up. Sign the paper. Come on, bro.
Okay.
Free country.
So I need a signature here. It's not an admission to go. Just promise to appear on your mandatory
Just
court
give me what you need
appearance.
to give me. Thank you.
So I'm
Like
citing
I've
you
been
for
asking.
reckless
See,
driving.
You just give me the fucking ticket and go.
So
Thank you. Just give
don't
me the ticket.
snatch
See what I'm
anything.
saying?
You're gonna go to jail. You're gonna go to jail.
He's so fucking
I
nuts.
don't.
Give me
No, it is going to get bad now.
the fucking ticket.
He doesn't.
See that?
Behind your back. Behind
He
your back.
doesn't.
No, I'm done.
He didn't.
He did, but it's all right.
I really didn't.
He didn't.
I was supposed to get off in 10 minutes. You think I want to take you to jail?
Yeah, nothing better to do.
Dude, and her shit's going to get towed. Dude, that's like, I think it's like $800 or something with the police impound. And that was like years ago that I heard about that. So it could be more now. And it's like cash. So she's kind of fucked. And like, that's so annoying. Like, it's her attitude, but it's also the first cop. Like, what are you doing, bro? Let him handle it, unless he's not able to. But just get her to sign the paper. You can do that.
Just need you to bring it down.
You see what just went on? I'm telling him just give me the ticket and let me go. He
But
want to
he's gotta
stand in my
have you
face
si-
longer
he has to have
until
you
he
sign
have a
it.
reason
Definition of
to
an
arrest
attitude.
me.
He has to have you sign
You the
it.
definition of an attitude problem.
He has to have you sign it because it's a
That's
mandatory
fine. He
court
could have
date.
just gave it to me and let me sign it.
Yeah, that's what he was trying to... You just can't help some people, man. I swear. Like, it's just common sense, though. Like, you should have that. Like, we shouldn't all have to, like, lift you up with your lack of common sense. Like,
But he wanted to wait until he had a reason to arrest me. But
Watch,
it's fine because they'll throw it out in court.
In fairness, we don't let go of our tickets or ticket books when people sign them. Like when we had ticket books, we didn't let them go.
Yep.
I mean, fairness there,
My
but
car's not in park.
yo, and he's still trying, bro. And he's still... Why isn't it in park? Why isn't it... He told you to put it in park, so why isn't it in park? That's on you, then.
It's off, though. Come on. Do you have anything on you at all? Anything in your car at all?
You cannot search my vehicle. You don't have to
Face that way.
Well, you're already arrested, so he's definitely going to search it.
It's going to get searched because it's search incident to arrest. Do you have anything tucked anywhere? You're going to get ran through an x-ray machine at Pinellas County Jail.
Nah, he's just trying to be a dick at this point. I feel like he is keeping it going, and that was fine in the beginning because you're upset, but you got out of the situation and you didn't have to come back.
What's that? Yeah, we can do it at the station. Come back here for me.
I mean, I get some people have attitude, especially like maybe she had a bad day, you know? Like, it's just not fair that, like, because you don't know how to, like, coordinate this operation, that she ends up going to jail. Like, that's genuinely why. She's a difficult person to handle, yes, but a better cop just had it handled, and you threw it away.
Everything go around, come on.
Remember that. Jesus.
you do whip around you driving crazy?
Yeah, she whipped around me.
Shut off.
Yeah, she whipped around me driving crazy. And then I asked her to shut the car, or I asked her to put the car in park. And she goes, no. Like, put it in park. Ignored me. So I reached in and hit the power button and I told her to get out. Which she didn't want to get out.
All right.
Like, Jesus.
I don't know. I mean, even his like relay of the situation is like emotional. Like, aren't you supposed to be able to separate that shit? You're working. Like, yeah, you were offended because she was rude. And I, you know, people can sit here and be like, oh, well, I would be so upset if she was rude to me, like I do or whatever. But like, you're a cop on the job, being recorded, and you're gonna act like that.
It doesn't matter.
No, you can put mine on it.
I'll bring you a copy. I'll print.
I wish we saw what she did.
She was charged.
Resisting arrest without violence and reckless driving, but the charges were later dropped. Bro, you're wasting everyone's time because that had to go through like court and stuff and like waste people's time who actually has an issue that could be solved because you're probably did this 3 times today. You know what I mean? Like, that's so gross, man. What a loser, bro. Love Bodycam Pro. Very good channel. Like that one for sure. And that was pretty short, so yeah. We'll do another body cam because that was nothing. Next video.